Greetings, staff. This is Mike Walker, Secondary Technology Integration Specialist, and I'd like to show you today a new feature that we've recently added to Moodle, and that is the Rubric Activity. So if you are in your Moodle course and you want to add an activity, you can select Rubrics, and you'll have to give it a name. I'll make it a test rubric. You have to give a summary. That's a required aspect. So I'll just say sample here. And then it asks you for the number of rows and the number of columns. So I might say 5 rows for the criteria. Now, one thing to understand with the columns is that it treats the criteria columns separately. So if you want to have 4 levels, you would go with 4 as opposed to 5. You can select a type. It can be a self-assessment. You can have a peer assessment or questionnaire style. Unfortunately, right now we don't have the question mark to tell us what all of those things really mean, but we can see with self-assessment pretty much what that means. So then I select Save and Display. It comes up and it says click here to create the rubric. And now I have the opportunity to enter in my criteria, my performance level. I can say exemplary here. Proficient, etc., and enter in my criteria on the rubric. So then you submit and you are set to go. So you may want to play around and utilize this as a way to help your students, or even have your students help develop the rubric as you're looking at assessing different activities within Moodle. Thanks. Let me know how I can be of further assistance.